Let's look at an example of how to create and publish a simple exam form on Pro. To create a form group, select Create Exam Form Group from the Exam Management tab of the navigation pane. The form group will open in its General tab. It will default in certain required fields such as the name and driver type. Let's update the form group name. Let's also change the driver type to Pearson Desktop Edition. This will cause a prompt to confirm the change, since changing the driver type changes the settings that are available in each of the tabs. Let's accept our warning. Once we've completed the General tab, we can perform a save. The save will assign an exam form group number to our form group. It will also be viewable in the exam form group list. Let's navigate to the Layout tab. We're going to create a very simple layout, one with one non-measurable section and one measurable section. Click on the New Section button. We see a New Form Group Section dialog. The parent indicates none and the section type is of non-measurable. Let's give it a section name. And click Create Section. For simplicity, we're going to leave all the section settings as they're defaulted. For more information on the selections available and how they will impact the exam's delivery, see the Creating an Exam Form Group section of this help document. Let's click Save to commit our progress. We need to assign static content to a non-measurable section. Click the Assign Static Content button. This launches the Assign Poolbook to Sections dialog. From here, we're going to select the poolbook and click the Assign Poolbook button. The Assign Poolbook is now populated with the poolbook name, and we see a list of items that are going to be delivered during that section of the exam. Let's click the New Section button again and change our parent section to none and our section type to measurable. Let's also assign a section name. Clicking Create Section will create a measurable section. Again, we're going to leave the default settings. This is a very simple layout. It's possible to create multiple sections of each type and nest them to create a more complex exam layout. Let's click on the Forms tab so we can create a form for our exam form group. Click New Form, and in the Add a Form to the Group dialog box, we're going to add the form name and click Create Form. Okay, at this point, let's save our progress. For each measurable section in a layout, we'll need to assign content. In this simple layout, we have only one measurable section. Click the Assign Poolbook button. Let's select Yes on Confirm. And from the Assign Poolbook to Section pop-up dialog, we're going to select a poolbook that contains the items that will be delivered in our measurable section. Click the Assign Poolbook. And again, we see the poolbook assigned to the section value is populated, as well as a list of all the items within this section. We're going to use all the default values that come in for our items, but we can see the how used and contributes to score our editable values. Let's again save our progress. At this point we have an exam form group that can be published. Clicking the box next to the form group name in the left pane and clicking the Publish Check Form allows you to save a destination from a locally mapped drive where you want to have your published output saved. Clicking OK triggers the publish process. The status of the publish is tracked in the activity monitor in the lower right. Upon completion, you will see a View Output button. Clicking it will open the Publish Output dialog. That allows you to open the QTI publish in its defined location.